corner we have a Chamberlain Access Master half horsepower chain drive 2007. This door is an old wood door. Alright, we got some chain sag. I know it's kind of hard to see, it's a little dark right now. But there's the noise and how it operates. Let's open this guy back open. Oh, look at the chain sag. Oh, the door gives a good uppercut. I think the Access Master is knocked out. His opponent, Chamberlain Whisper Drive. It's a 1 1/4 horsepower, folks. There's Spanish. If you don't know Spanish, I don't know Spanish. I could have flipped the box around, but I didn't. But here goes this machine. Here's the Chamberlain Ultra Quiet Belt Drive. Super quiet. There you have it, guys. Nice and quiet.